Hi, this is Driekus Botha from driekusbotha.com. I want to show you how to build an outrageously profitable home business in less than 30 days. I'm going to show you how to generate more money in 1 month than you did the past previous months combined. Did you know 97% of all people are unhappy because they will never have enough money to do the things they really want to? Are you one of these 97%? I have a free video that you can watch that will explain exactly how you can become one of the 3% who can afford to do whatever their hearts desire. You will learn the 3 things that you must do if you want to reach millionaire status. You will learn the 7 greatest lies that will keep you broke as long as you believe in them. And the single one biggest mistake 7 out of 10 small business owners make when starting an online business. You can have all this information right now. Just go to driekusbotha.com. Sign up for a free video there, and I'll send all this information to you free immediately.